Hey there. Thank you so much for your interest in our new course in one-to-one, the Python programming course. Um, there are great opportunities in this course. Number one, you will learn Python in English. That's the reason this video is in English, because you need 60 or 70% of English or B1 to have opportunities to work in Python in English. The idea is that if you have an English enough to work in a call center and then you learn Python, you have more opportunities for work. You will dive into programming. You will learn with a flexible schedule. This is hands-on and interactive. And of course, you will improve your chances of earning money. Okay. What is the format in terms of schedule? Well, there's one day in video conference via Google Meet. That's the synchronous part, Monday from 7 to 8 p.m. And then from Tuesday to Thursday, you will have an asynchronous class using Edmodo. Let me show you the class in Edmodo. This is just an example just for you to see the interface, okay? It says Python Developer Course. Luis Escobar will be your instructor. And it's very simple, as you can see here. The idea is that you practice hands-on. You will watch a video, maybe. This is a video from YouTube, but Luis will create videos sometimes, maybe use Google Forms, and then Luis will give you feedback in writing or maybe with a video, okay? And we will talk more about feedback, continuing with the presentation. Now, the feedback is super important. Research shows that feedback is key for motivation and success in a course. We are here to motivate you, and we will motivate you with constant feedback. The instructor's WhatsApp will be open, and he will also create video tutorials that he will send to your WhatsApp or maybe to your email, whatever you want, okay? When I say that WhatsApp is open, that doesn't mean that he will be waiting for your text, but it definitely means that you can text him, send a voice note, send maybe a video, show him what is your problem, and Luis will get back to you ASAP. Okay, what are some job opportunities here? We have software development, data analytics, machine learning, system management for cloud services, virtual computers and networks, creation of applications, robotics, and Internet of Things. You will start exploring this in the program, and then you will be able to explore more after you finish. The syllabus for the program is the following: Python basics and introduction, Python environment, variable declaration, Python data types, Python operators, conditional statements, loops, while and for, Python functions, libraries, modules, and packages, while operations, object-oriented programming, web scraping, and database handling, Python decorators. Okay, so 13 points in the syllabus. Okay, this is an example of a job that requires Python. Now, please, we want to be very transparent about this. This doesn't mean that at the end of our program, you will be able to get a job instantly, but it definitely gives you the opportunity to get experience in Python, because at the end of the day with Python, what you need is to demonstrate that you can do something. So this work, you know, is just this picture is just an example that when you have Python, your salary increases a little bit. And again, okay, we don't want to lie to you. We don't want to say after 4 months you're going to be earning $1,500. No, but definitely your opportunities are better, your CV is better, and you have one more tool in your hands to look for a job. Okay. Okay, at the end, the instructor, Luis Antonio Escobar. I'm an industrial engineer specialized in information technology. I've been an university teacher for 11 years and have helped students to get into cloud services, software development, and machine learning model training. I'm a Google evangelist, a Jewish practitioner, and father of two. Luis is a very passionate guy. It is a privilege for me to work with him in this new course. Okay, what is the price? $35 per month or for 4 weeks, okay? And the course is 4 months. So the total investment is $140, okay? And you pay monthly $35. Okay, I will end with this quote. Programming is like any other sport. You might know the rules, but you have to play to learn. And Luis is ready to help you play and help you learn. If you're interested, I am here to answer any of your questions.